Yeah, good day. So I've been having this request on how I make AI videos, and today I just want to show you with a short story. We're using cloud, we're using ChatGPT, and we're using Google Flow. Yeah, so let's get started. Click this, grab this, and I've already written my prompt here, and I will just say, so yes, Cloud will fix that for me. So Cloud is done. Can you see the screens? You can see how it gave me my themes, the characters, the voice. Now this is quite minimal because, we are just playing, right? If you're doing for a fuller script, you would have the voice text or the voice profile longer than this and all that. You can see the way it came, and then I have the same prompts and all that. So let's move from here now to ChatGPT. Yes, so I'm on the subscription here. I don't know if it can work like that for all. I can generate 4 images or even more at once. So let's have our image generation come over to ChatGPT. Yeah. So while we wait for this, let's set up our Google Voice profiles. I can come here and you can see where we have voices. You see all of the options that we have for the voices. I can look for, because we're working with children, so I can work with male excitable, right? Yes, so I will come to this point. You can see the first guy. It says voice playful. Yeah, it's Philo. So I'm coming here to set the voice profile. Set his name to Philo, and I love to play. Can you see that? So we'll make for the others, but let me see. So we have our 4 characters already, like I generated them, and I have moved them here to Google Flow. So what I will still do, and we've set their voice profiles, right? You can see that Best Greg, Shex, Stylo, Philo, those are our 4 characters, and I've linked them accordingly if you check it, right? So what I want to do next is I still want to add agent instructions, right? This is very important. Now I will come to Philo, right? This is Philo, and I already have his name here. So I would say agent instructions. I want to add instructions. I'll pick the person's name. So you can see I've picked Philo, add to instructions. I'll paste that stuff. This is good for consistency because we need a consistency character tag. Yes. So I've done that. So we'll do for the other yes. So can you see, right? I've added all of their consistency tags. It's done. Then I think I want to add the field that they are playing in. Now see what we are doing right now. We created consistency tags, we created the characters, created consistency tags, and then we now make sure that we have their audio profiles. Now this is very important if you're working on a long script. You want them to sound the same. You don't want someone sounding funny later somewhere in your creation. Yeah, and so because we want to make this short, I'm refining this in conversations again because this is too long. It won't fit in 8 seconds, So I'm refining it again, and yeah. So this is where you pay careful attention, right? We're getting the first scene now. ChatGPT is still working, but we can go ahead. So we have scene 1 prompt. I've addressed it because I need to keep the conversation short. So I'm just going to grab scene 1, right? And I will come to Flow and give it to Flow. And I'll grab the first scene too from here because they are still gisting, So copying the image and giving it to Flow too. Now, what does the conversation say? We see Stylo, Philo, and Shex talking. So I would pick their voice profiles, Stylo, I'll add it to the prompt, add Philo to, add it to the prompt, and I will add checks and add it out. Now, this is very important. You still have to select what you want. Now, I've chosen my setting. I'm not using this because I'm not generating images here. So I have 9 by 16, 4, let's do 1, and omni flash, right? So, and this is the scene I want to use, right? And let me add some extra context. I'll say reference images. Hallucinate because it's AI. I also want to select the people that spoke. So it's Philo, Stylo. But let me not. That's it. This is one of my accounts that has the Google feature, so I have 50 flow credits right now. So I can go and let's see. So yeah. So it's ready to go now. I will approve. It will go and give me that. Yeah. So now you can see that as I generate, I am adding something extra to the prompt. Now this is from experience. I know that AI can hallucinate, and sometimes it does, but I'm just fine-tuning it a bit to fit what I need. Yes, so I will grab this and keep it, and then we go for the second show. Yes, so here is our final outcome. Can you see how far we have come? See the scenes, see the generations, see the outcomes. So if I come to the images here, you can see that we have our images, the way we uploaded it. If I come to the videos, see the way these things are generated.
Let me get the fastest leg for this one.
You see, and then we have this one. Are you seeing it? And then we have this final. Are you seeing it? So we have a few scenes to go, and we had the 2 extra scenes to it, and then edit it whichever way you want to edit. When you do something like this, you could use CapCut, you could use Clipchamp. I think for this one I will use Clipchamp because it's a very simple edit. And when I'm done, I'll put the link to the video in the comment section so that you can see the outcome of this whole thing that we're doing here. So that's it. It's pretty easy. Now the thing is, if you now want to do a larger project, which I'm currently working on, it takes a longer time, and you may have to buy Google credits, like AdBots in some other accounts. Yeah, you may have to buy Google credits for you to be able to use it properly. Yeah, so there you go.